GeopByte.
Dear children, welcome to the GeopByte Navodaya practice questions for arithmetic test from the Mensuration. Previous questions from the last 10 years. Okay, let's start the video. First one, observe the question, children. What is length of AB in the following figure? What is length of the AB? So where is the A? Here top, and B. O, origin or center. Here circle. Circle is given, center is given, 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter they mentioned, and they are asking the AB. Okay children, here angle 90 degrees they mentioned. In generally also angle, right angle defaultly 90, but some children is not getting, that's why clearly mentioned 90 in that examination particularly. So O and B 4 centimeter gap 4, A and O gap 3 centimeter. Now what is the requirement? AB. So right angle triangle. We are getting the right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. This is assume as side 1 and side 2 and diagonal or hypotenuse. Your wish. So what is the Pythagoras rule here? Hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Side 1 square plus side 2 square. So here AB square is equal to AO square plus OB square. AO, so 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square value 9 plus 16. So AB square. AB is equal to root of 9 plus 16 25. So root 25 value 5. So what is the answer? Option C is the answer, children. Okay. Second one. Okay, children, observe what is the diagram? Rectangle. We know. Now come to the question. What is breadth of rectangular in the following figure? If the area of the rectangular is 48 centimeters square. Okay. So area, they mentioned clearly area. Area of the rectangular, length into breadth, we know. Area already they given 48. What is the length here? Observe from the diagram, from the figure, length is 8 centimeter. 8. Breadth, we don't know. So simplify breadth 48 by 8. So answer 6. Option B is the answer, children. Next. Third one. How many degrees are there in 1/6 of the right angle? 1/6. So 1 by 6th. Half. Okay. Half meaning bracket. So 1 by 6th of right angle. Right angle means how many degrees? 90 degrees. So 6, 15 cancel. So answer, what is the answer then? 15 degrees. So 1/6 of the right angle is 15 degrees. What is the option? Option D is the answer. Okay, children. Next. Find area of the following figure. So this figure, what is the figure? We know already. Okay, what is the figure? Right angle triangle. Okay, but any triangle area, simply what is the area of the triangle in generally formula of base into height. Base into height of base. Base, what is the base given? 10. Height 8. Okay, 8. So simplify to 5's cancel. 5 8's 40. So where is the option? Option A is the answer. Okay, children. These questions, everything, previous questions, concentrate. Question number 5. In the following figure, find a triangle CBE. That means middle variable B. So they are calculating angle B. CBE. So this is the C, B and E. C, B and E. So requirement to this one. Okay. In a line intersecting concept, so look at here one linear line. A line is intersecting anywhere, what it may be. Okay. The complete angle on a line, this line angle 180 degrees. Not only here, you can select line here angle 180, 180, 180, 180. In a straight line angle 180 degrees. You know already this is line 180 degrees. Okay, one line is intersected. Exactly means here also 90, here also 90, perpendicularly. Suppose anywhere line is intersecting. Okay, so here overall angle 180 degrees. Complete angle 180 degrees. So in the question, observe the problem. So complete angle 180 degrees. Here already 50 given, 70 given. Here we don't know. You can assume x. You can assume x. Now what is the answer? 180 degrees is equal to 50 plus 70 plus x. So 50 plus 70. What is the answer? 120 plus x. This 120 is left side. 180 minus 120. So answer 60 degrees x value. Okay. Answer is A. Option A. Okay, children. Next. In a triangle ABC, angle A 70. So they mentioned clearly 70. Okay. Angle B 60. Find C. Simply you remember sum of the interior angles of triangle. Sum of the interior angles of triangle always 180 degrees. Already we know. Okay. So here question mark we don't know. You can assume x. So 70 plus 60 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of the interior. So x is equal to 180 minus 130. So what is the answer then? 50 degrees. So which option satisfied? Option B is the, option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. Next one. Grass. Look, observe the diagram. This is grass. The area of the rectangular garden, okay, area of the rectangular garden is 128. If its length is double of its breadth, what is the perimeter of the garden? Okay, just 1 second recall. Here length you can assume as L, breadth assume as B. Area of the rectangular, length into breadth. Perimeter, add all the surface, add all the outers. So then answer 2 into L plus B. Okay. Now come to the question. Its length is double of its breadth. Okay. Suppose breadth I take x. So length is 2x. Okay. Breadth I take x. The length is 2x. Area already given. You take the area. Area. What is the area? 128. Length 2x. Breadth x. 2x square is equal to 128. So x square is equal to what? 2 6 are cancelled, 2 4s. So x square is equal to 64. So x is equal to 8. Okay, x square is equal to 64. X is equal to root 64, that is 8. Now breadth is equal to 8. L is equal to 2 into breadth. So 2 times of the breadth. So 16. I got B value, I got L value. Perimeter 2 into L plus B. 2 into 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8, 24. 2 into 24, 48. Okay. What is the option then? Option A, 48. Okay, children. Next. Come to question number 8. The length and breadth of rectangular field are 2 and 1 by 4 meter and 1 and 1 by 4 meters respectively. What will be the cost of fencing it at the rate of 1 3 by 7 perimeter? Okay. So rectangular field, what is the perimeter? 2 into L plus B. Length 2 1 by 4, breadth 1 by 4. It is converted into the fraction, proper fraction. 2 fourths 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 4. 4 ones 4 plus 1, so 5 by 4. Okay, children. So 2 into length 9 by 4, breadth 5 by 4. So 2 into denominators equal, so directly numerators added. So 2 into 14 by 4. Cancellation. 2 2s are 2 7s. So what is the perimeter then? 7 meters. Now come to the question. What will be the cost of fencing if it at the rate of 1 3 by 7 for perimeter? Okay, perimeter 7. Cost 1 3 by 7. 1 3 by 7. Change into the proper fraction. 7 ones 7 plus 3. 10 by 7. 10 by 7. This value here substitute. 10 by 7. So 7 7 cancel. So answer 10 rupees. What is the cost? 10 rupees. Next. The side of a square field shown in the following figure is 10 centimeter. So side 10 centimeter. For a square. Square means all sides equal. What is the area of the field? So area is equal to side square. Area is equal to side square. So side 10, 10 square. Answer 100. Okay, 100 centimeter square. Come to the next one. This one also previous question. Which of the following is balanced? Okay, by using the weighing machine. By using the weighing machine. Okay, so 10 into 100 value 1000. 10 into 10 100. So not equal. So wrong. Option A wrong. Next, option C, check it. 2 into 60 value 120. 100 minus 20 80. So wrong. 20 into 20 400. 5 fourths 200. Okay, wrong. 1000 by 10, option B, check it. 1000 by 10. 1000 by 10. So 0 0 cancel. Answer 100. 50 plus 50. So answer 100. 100 is equal to 100. So satisfied. So option B is the clearly right answer, children. Okay. This type of mensuration questions given in our Navodaya examination. Okay. These 10 questions also previous concepts. Thank you, children. All the best.
GeopByte.